Hey guys, onza04. I'm going to show you how to add some LED lights onto your Highlander 2006 limited edition version. Let's see if I can show you the type. So basically we have bizauto.com. It's a 194 SMD-4W. Comes in a 2-pack. So it adapts to 194 style, 168 style T10 wedge LED dome lights, but I figured the license plate was the best application because I'll show you the way that, I don't know if you can see this, let's see if I can, it'll probably be too close, but there's 4 LEDs shining directly down. It's not a 360, it's shines straight down compared to a bulb. You have, a 360 bulb, but this is why I picked this one. Alright, so I've already done one side, but I'll show you how to do the other side. Let's lower this down, get this in focus. Highly recommend that you guys check these screws right here. They're extremely rusted. I mean, it's so bad that I'm gonna run to the local hardware store and pick me up some new screws before I put the new ones in. So if you guys live in a salty climate, I would highly suggest you guys do that. I'll show you. Thread, it's almost gonna be rounded out if I play with this a few more times. So I'm gonna go and grab some stainless steel screws. Turn. There's the other one. Same damn thing. Alright, you're going to want to now take your flathead. There's a black piece in the plastic housing. All you got to do is stick it in between and pry a little bit, and the seal will break. Not as smooth, obviously, on camera, so there's that. Grab your LED. Probably can't even see it, but just pull out the old. Just grab and wiggle. There you go. This is kind of a 50-50, so you gotta plug it in, turn your lights on, see what happens. So let's go check it out. Alright, jackpot. Now we got dual LEDs. This one feels pretty snug, so does this side. That's that. Just reattach everything. Make sure you clean the lenses out. Spray some UV, it's called 303 protectant if you want to, I guess, prolong the life of the plastic. Thanks for tuning in. Onza, signing out. We're around 8:40 p.m. now, and this is the final result. You got the white light. Can't see the true reflection, but you can see it reflecting off the bumper and then on the ground. Has a nice white defined line, so there you go. Now the cops can read your license plates. Alright, that's the finished product.